your life. Bing bong.
So 2011 BMW M3 E92. Don't mind the lights on the dash. That's M mode. No traction in the seatbelt. And the handbrake, nigga. That ain't nothing. Feel like I'm getting pulled over. What the fuck? Nah, the car's overall dope. 200 on the dash is crazy. I get nervous at 100. But this shit was something interesting to drive, my nigga. You see, it's a clean ass, well, as clean as possible. Shining though. I liked it. That BMW black. The stock exhaust. Tires still hot. I just had to wire that bitch up. You know what the fuck I do? I'm Treyway. This shit was cool. He did that because he saw me recording. But it slides easily, you know what the fuck going on, and pretty much I would, you know what? Get it for a rental and go have fun with it. Don't buy it though, my nigga. I just put $10 in just to go test drive it, and that shit burnt the quarter tank that fast, bro. It's only been 25 minutes, maybe 30 minutes, but you know the vibes, my nigga. Big M3 shit. Hey, we gotta get a little gas. You know what I'm saying? Niggas been wilding this shit up. Should be drinking. Drinking gas crazy. Fucking fire truck. Passing when I'm trying to fucking talk. Yeah, this shit drink gas though. Crazy. Imagine if it was in the wrong side. That shit was fire. That shit was fire. That's my shit right there. That's my shit. Yeah. One of them. That shit is beautiful. Oh, I didn't even see this yellow bitch. But they're looking at the bullshit. What the fuck? Yo, you gotta go drive that.
What was you looking at? What car was you looking at? Because that's the car that
I was looking at that. The Beamer. But yeah. Why they moving like this?
Who traded in a McLaren for a BMW?
That's what I'm saying. Why they moving like this?
I really want to know. Like, what did you trade this in for, sir?
Nah, son. If you get your hands on one of those shits, bro.
Definitely.
Which one? The black one? At the end? You lying.
You say you picking that up.
I would have said the yellow.
I ain't gonna lie, that Aston is fire. That Aston he pointed to.
I like that yellow McLaren though. Oh, y'all niggas is moving like that out here? I think it's not my car, bitch. Yo, we're almost at a quarter a tank. We just went to the fucking gas station and got half a tank. We've been driving for like 10 minutes, my nigga. And I didn't even go over 100 miles per hour. Like, I don't even understand. Tight. About to spin this shit and get the fuck out of here. You look like police. $8 fee. For what?
Wrong turn.
Hmm? Wrong turn. Traction's off?
Yeah. gotta do it and be out, because they definitely call the cops. 'Cause last time me and Kyle was in here, they definitely called the boys and gave this nigga a ticket.
Fuck going on? So I actually do like the car. Fuck, that was lit, bro. What the fuck? I would do that shit all the. Yeah, I need one outside the beat, bro. Where the fuck can we go to do that shit one more time? You the spots, you know the roads and shit.
I think this right here, try this.
I never came to no shows at this shit. This shit fire though. Parking, concept parking. This is some Florida shit right here. This nasty ass lake I'm trying.
We gotta go. Alright, we out here.